First, the top news headlines. 3 new COVID-19 cases reported in Assam, count 56. (1,200 stranded Manipuri natives to be brought back by train). And 15 migrants returning to Madhya Pradesh run over by goods train. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Coronavirus cases count has gone up to 56 in Assam today, with 3 fresh cases reported from Kasar district of the state. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said the 3 cases were co-passengers of the returnee from Ajmer Sharif Dargah in Rajasthan who had tested positive for COVID-19 in Silchar on Wednesday. On Thursday, a total of 8 cases, 4 from Guwahati and 4 others from Kasar were reported in the state. The 4 people from Kasar who tested positive on Thursday were also co-passengers of the returnee from Ajmer Sharif Dargah. A bus carrying 42 passengers had arrived in Silchar from Ajmer. Sample of one of the passengers tested positive for COVID-19, following which certain areas were declared as containment zones, Sarma said, adding that subsequently samples of 4 other persons were tested, results of which returned positive. The tally of COVID-19 cases in India crossed 56,000. The date toll reached 1,886, with the most fatalities in Maharashtra at 651, followed by Gujarat. Delhi, on the other hand, is likely to see a peak in coronavirus cases in June to July, said the doctor heading the Coronavirus Response Committee formed by the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, India has identified 4 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals to be a part of Solidarity, the World Health Organization WHO international clinical trial to help find an effective treatment for novel coronavirus, according to a report. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has picked treatment centers from 4 cities that have reported a high case lot: AIIMS in Jodhpur, Apollo Hospital in Chennai, BJ Medical College and Civil Hospital in Ahmedabad, and Chirayu Medical College and Hospital in Bhopal. After India launched its one-day Bharat mission to bring home Indians stranded abroad to the international travel lockdown over the coronavirus pandemic on Thursday, today the first flight carrying Indian students who are stranded in Bangladesh, Dhaka, will land in Srinagar. The first to Air India repatriation flight carrying a total of 363 Indian nationals from the UAE landed in Kochi and Kozhikode on Thursday. Nearly 15,000 Indians stranded overseas are expected to return on special Air India flights from 12 countries over a week, with the government set to operate 64 flights until May 13 and use 3 Navy ships as part of Phase 1 of one of its biggest evacuation exercises. On the global front, at least 38,15,561 people have been infected with the novel coronavirus worldwide, including 2,67,469 deaths and 12,66,479 recoveries. Dr. J. Suresh Babu, the Chief Secretary of Manipur, today announced that a special trail will bring back 1,200 stranded Manipuris to the state from Chennai on Monday. Talking exclusively to TOMTV, Dr. J. Suresh Babu said the special trail will arrive at the Jiribam railway station on 11th of this month. Buses arranged by the state government will ferry back these people to Imphal from Jiribam railway station, and upon their arrival, they will be kept under quarantine in different quarantine centers across the state, Dr. Suresh Babu added. He also informed TOMTV that the state government is also arranging special trains to bring back stranded Manipuri natives from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Punjab. However, he said that there is no immediate plan for evacuating Manipuris being stuck in Delhi NCR, which has been listed under red zone of COVID-19.
We are trying to finalize the list in consultation with the government of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The list has to be jointly accepted. And once it is accepted, I will be putting this list in the official domain. Today morning, Chief Minister had a meeting along with me and then the Transport Buses Association to finalize the bus requirement. So they have agreed to give buses. I have to mobilize a lot of medical teams for screening. I have to arrange food for all these 1,500 people. I have to put them and bring them here, take care of any breakdown en route. We are putting standby buses at Nungba and None also. We have to provide security corridor for the moment. So much of coordination work we are trying to do. They have to go to quarantine center compulsorily. Because a lot of the people who are coming from outside are coming from cities which are having very high infection rate. So we cannot take the risk so much. So quarantine is compulsory. So this process we are trying to ease out. We have requested Health Ministry to give some concession to Manipur to do more tests.
At least 15 migrant laborers returning to Madhya Pradesh were killed and one injured when a goods train ran over them at Aurangabad in Maharashtra early this morning on Aurangabad-Jalna railway line, according to a media report. The laborers who had been working along the railway tracks reportedly fell asleep due to exhaustion. During early hours today, after seeing some laborers on track, loco pilot of goods train tried to stop the train but eventually hit them between Batnapur and Karmat stationed in Parbhani Manmat section. The injured have been taken to Aurangabad Civil Hospital. Following the incident, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter stating he has spoken to Union Railway Minister Piyush Goyal and asked him to monitor the situation. The Ministry of Railways has now put out a tweet and said that an inquiry has been ordered into the tragic incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that he is anguished by the loss of lives in the Maharashtra train accident, extremely anguished by the loss of lives due to the rail accident in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Have spoken to Railway Minister Sri Piyush Goyal and he is closely monitoring the situation. All possible assistance required is being provided, Prime Minister Modi tweeted today. He also said that all possible assistance is being provided. And now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Red Shopper, get local. Isagi yumdagi mapan thoktana COVID-19 sandoraktanabagi lanthing asida mateng pangbiyu. Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited Neramek amadi Red Shopper anina kusam naraga iramdamda fangba manamasing grocery item amadi fresh meat adomadongi yumda deliver tobagi khudong chaba pijari. Aikhogi app download tobiduna online order tobirakpo singidamak discount pijari.
Welcome back. The hearing in the disqualification case of 7 Congress MLAs took place today at the tribunals of Manipur Assembly Speaker. The 7 MLAs are O Lukhoy, K.S. Esbiren, P. Brozen, Esbira, Ngamthang Haukip, Ginsa Ho, and Y. Surchandra. Speaker Y. Khemchan during the hearing maintained that based on preliminary objection from the 7 Congress MLA's death. The accusation against them is baseless and unfounded since they have never joined the ruling BJP government. Khemchand reserved the judgment.
Preliminary objection ama thare maram di case to kaktat pio maram jade moi BJP changbal leite haidana maram jade maram sada ba che sang mayam da issue orakanda tawino haina ma thare but the particular preliminary objection do madu kayam chumi lale haibado madu study tawna ba ai madu order to reserve tawre ato matam da sai songchan widana si irang ji ka pharaga di thuna haidokani thare iba che singdu da aho bayam yawi madu aduna sagi case to lobby ganu haina petition lak pai tarene any election related case tha truk mun do loisalo na hari ek ne ba but loi brava adi justification ma phangno matam dim changi dana ko ana democracy se lebak ni na law ki course of time dim long nei dana ko.
Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar today announced that he will bear travel expenses of stranded Uripok residents coming from Guwahati to Imphal. He was inspecting the Trade and Expo Center at Lamboy Kongnangkong in Imphal, designated as quarantine center for Uripok constituency by the state government. Personnel of Manipur Fire Service and local residents are constructing the quarantine center. The Deputy CM also assured of bearing necessary expenses of the quarantine center.
What about the Kujugari Tabiaba? I tagging to Kale. Tobudu, Kayano, Mikano. I don't got it standard like say we book in a cano. Have the quick conga lever. Conga Lagadi, meeting the car get a guy anywhere, whatever is the requirement. I do Chiligadum, tagging it. I do all Tana, the Calcutta, delivering the Adu, it will be beyond our means. I do not by train Puraga. Guati Baulagadi from Guati will pick them up. I do give I cited in a mamating, I do DC citation. DC Kingi Moisu, Angamateng Toga, Swine combined on a Manipuri Uripoki in say that the Kalegati Uripoka, the Natava Ate Topa in every way Kayunada, no Uri Kasi, Asovani, Sumaka, Aninis, Dama, from Damaga. The Kavagati will provide this for quarantining of other neighboring Kanugi constituencies, Adumaitona Tauga and Kali.
Assistant District Commissioner Imphal West, Haisnam Sukumar at the venue told media persons that all individuals coming to the quarantine center will undergo tests for COVID-19 and they will be sent home only after they test negative. He added the quarantine center will accommodate around 400 persons.
Home quarantine guma facility letaba karigumba singtogi moigi facility pinana bana sekotsabani aduga tasena harikati ekogi Uripoki wenati mapanda leiruraga sta halakada wi yam ka hena yambadi oiti sarna tapi da chamri mu haidana tapi adu sidati phajana accommodate tawbadi yarne na khanje.
Manipur Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand today inspected the quarantine center for Singjamei constituency opened at Manipur College, Singjamei, Chingamaka, Imphal. Talking to reporters, Khemchand, who is the local MLA of Singjamei, said that except technical help, no financial aid will be taken from the state government for the running quarantine center as the public is ready to extend help. He also informed that as of now, only 2 individuals are under quarantine at the center. He also informed that more than 300 persons from Singjamei constituency are now stuck in different parts of the country due to ongoing lockdown.
Virus siga human community ga achouba lan phamam khalakanda aikoi kudimaki daita lei khalaga akoi center si Singjamei center si Singjamei de lebiriba akoi virus sibu changan me yade na khanbi de mayamna akoi angam bakatna dana koi kanosi center si run do hojare ado government technical support na financial support di akoi kanogi sarkar dagi logjare roi manam di Singjamei de leiba mayam sina khairaga pi bada paisa amadi polam mayam sagi lengo do leiram dina sarkar gi dum de akoi withdraw tawrani.
A quarantine center set up at Johnston Higher Secondary School, Imphal, for the stranded people of Sagolban constituency is ready now. Sagolban MLA RK Imo said all necessary arrangements have been put in place at the center. As of now, 42 stranded people from the constituency have been brought back to the state, and that the travel expenses of these people were borne by MLA Imo.
Gisu ay hogada wa school si ayeng lakpa satra mayam nungai gada wadugi mawong da khoi misi thamme adna masi khoi government sinarani government sinaraga makha taba moina mafam matum yengaga masi quarantine center moina sinaba yare haibado madu moina mafa sinaba yana nabagi khoi ngasi dagi di khoi phajana semjelaga loisalaga government sinarani haidna ismaina thamjage.
Congress leader Govindas Konthosam today said that Congress Legislature Party CLP leader O. Ibobi has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Railway Minister Piyush Goyal to arrange a special train to ferry stranded migrant workers and laborers from Manipur to their native states. He informed these to media after a meeting of CLP in the official quarter of MLA K. Megachandra at Babupara today. MLAs K. Megachandra, K.H. Joykisan, A.K. Mirabai and O. Suraj Kumar were also present during the meeting, which discussed ways to send back the stranded migrant workers. CLP spokesperson MLA Megachandra said that the state government has failed to take up any measures to send back the stranded migrants workers. However, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, under the supervision of All India Congress Committee AICC, has taken up the initiative. He also said that most migrant workers in the state are from Bihar. The CLP members have also talked to Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Bihar State CLP leader on the matter, he added.
Manipur da lairiba migrant labor haijabatare maruoina Bihar da yam laiba Bihar da in terms of thousands da laiba kois makoi sing se hanba yana ba hanba phase gi oina koi train ama PBO haidana Honorable CLP leader na Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji da chithi ama ibire loina hairiba chithi as amasu Piyush Goyal ji Railway Minister masi amuk ka hena ningthi jana mapung phana makhoi sibu ningthi jana safely Manipur dagi evacuate tawba yana bagi damakta Honorable Chief Minister Manipur da su chithi ma inana bagi khoi CLP leader na ngasi mak chithi du thabiram na gane na kutumaina khoi thamjaningi
अखोई इसागी कंट्रीब्यूशन ना स्टेट सिगी अखोई की CLP मैम अदेगी PCC की प्रदेश कांग्रेस अमदी अखोई मैम सिना को तोरकांदा पैसा से कंट्रीब्यूट तोरगा अखोई मैम मतेंग पांग दुइने अखोई ना ट्रेन की भाड़ा से अखोई पुलब अखोई ना रिजर्व तोरगा वाइजेगी हाइजबनेबा अदुगी पोट से अखोई ngasi CLP दा डिसीजन लौजबनी मसिदेसिदा फुल्ली मतेंग पांग रेकनी हाइबा all the authorities concerned are requested to extend all the possible helps to get it through.
Unity Platform Manipur today distributed face masks to the staff of TOMTV at the latest office in Imphal. So far, the organization has provided 50,000 face masks to the people during the lockdown. A couple sustained injuries following a road mishap that took place near Kaisamthong Hodam Leirak Machin on Tidim Road this morning at around 10:30. The couple, Maitram Anand and his wife, Maitram Ranjita of Kaisampat Lemijam Lekai, were traveling on a scooter when it collided with a speeding car. They were taken to Ras Medicity, North AOC, for medical treatment, the report said. Residents of Chai Bakhul under Churachandpur district visited H. Bikram Singh, the proprietor of HBS Construction Private Limited, and presented him edible items at his residence at Pasway today. H. Bikram in also presented them essential daily items. Village chiefs of Chai Bakhul, T.H. Changkholung, John underlined on the importance of exchanging edible items during such critical times, which in turn strengthens the bond between the hills and valley.
Mase tampak leba isinaw singsu ekhoy na leijaba ekhoy na ngamjaba khara ekhoy na lilip ke damak thakha biru se haim tamda harau na yamna habu pot nate adumang also sa simde kri side effect lai roi aduna ekhoy na ngamjaba nungsibagi maron madu taksana ba haina pujarapani.
Bikram said that the items would be distributed to the workers at his brick field.
Hundunasu angamba mateng pangpa haibitare adumai tawdana pau pirakpadagi haidana adumaidana ma chingi ujiki haiba kunjri pubiraiba pochaise aigi factory da chekol na brick field da sabuk subiriba labor mayam singche hojik pungmari matungda sudi tharani moida loina moina apa apa angam ngamba loina ba chuna ba yenthok kani adu manya thamjage.
Manipur Malaria Department, in association with Thangmaiban Improvement Club TIC, sprayed disinfectant in Thangmaiban Yumnam Lekai area in Imphal today. Kumbi constituency MLA SB today distributed dry ration to Bangli household in Imphal West. The MLA, in along with former Jila Parisad member of Kwakta Gram Panchayat, Mohammad Bharat, and Pradhan of Kwakta Gram Panchayat, Mayeng Lambam Ibomcha, distributed dry ration to around 250 Bangli household at Mahabli, Mantripukri, and Kalibari.
Karigumba Rajniti Karigi Ama Baba Karigumam Telate, Koromda, Adagi Dharmagi Karigi, Adagi majority, minority, Karim Babolate, Koyakal Station. Laymin Narabanina, Hingmin Narabanina, the war of Matamasda, I call war Suwaminare, Sar Sukrakara, Yeneraga, Saminatai, Habagi Wakaladonda, Marumapang, Shashu, Chinao, and I call Luna Tauragadi, I call ye Shashu Shu, Mahogi Manaka Lavasing do, Mado Moina Kajikta Warsu, Nungshi beginning Habagi Wakalamaka, La Kadra, Habagi the Makta, Madumasu, Marui, Wakalama, Koye.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch observed Red Cross Day under the theme Keep Clapping for the Volunteers. Blood donation camps at Jenims and Rims Hospital marked the day. At the Society's office at MG Avenue, the Society members paid floral tribute to the photo of late Sir Henry Dunant, who propounded the Red Cross Society. Chairman Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Dr. Y. Mohan said that even though the function was held in a small way due to COVID-19 lockdown, Red Cross Society will continue to extend help for the welfare of the people.
Physical distancing sanitizer natraga sapon na hamba. Mi yam tin mapam da satpi da baka usok nung so Hong Kong was Surat Kumasi. I think I pixel laga, who Surat Sing Budi, who Hekat Pada, me and Pura Puma Pantara the Lucianare. Luhong was your in Braxita. Luhong di Mikra de Yamni Burkena. Yardi Luhong Bogumba City, Etopia, City Copit, and Tinsil Lawyer to you have a message presenting.
And now we have short commercial break. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. Drug Rehabilitation Centers Union of Manipur, DRUMP, and Drug De-Addiction Cum Rehab Centers Forum of Manipur, DAARCFOM, today formed an Apunba Drug Rehabilitation Center Forum of Manipur. In this regard, a praise meet was held at North AOC. Spokesperson of the newly formed forum, Ladit Sapam, explained about the need of such forum. He said that the earlier rules laid down by DRUMP and DARFOM will be effective at 35 rehabilitation centers.
High River Labactive Todo Ase condemn Tawi, Aduga, the same Basu Masiki Forum Masi, Aniton Lerambaki Pun Kribimanamsi, Asagi Mong Marine Nairectaba, Adugaluna, toning the Todoxing Torpose, Masi, the Mokta Punsunba, effective oinam sung. Pangal Lainavani Hana Kantuna, Susan Kivini, Aruga Tungtavasu, Forum Manung Sanbalero, Natraga, Letavoero, masigi akoin puthokjariba guidelines se masigi against chalapa khudingmak forum na chapchana relevant government authority government agency sing amasung CSO singa mating lauduna chapchaba khongthang khoi samsinjagani loin loina hanak recently thokriba thodok asida January ba mioi sing do mkhoi masagi maran chapchaba dandi edu pibi na bugidam tokon government so appeal thosari.
Residents of Laibi village of Tengnopal district provided vegetables to the residents of Mori today at the office of Meitei Council Mori. In return, the members of the council also provided rice to the Laibi residents. District Administration Thobal, NYK Thobal and District Health Society Thobal in association with Thobal Municipal Council Ward No. 1 members and Okram Youth Club today conducted a one-day awareness program on COVID-19 pandemic at the Thobal Okram Mamang Lekai Community Hall. Attending the program as resource person, medical officer of Urban Primary Health Center, Dr. Mutum Rakesh Meitei sanitized the participants on preventive measures against COVID-19. The Visakhapatnam unit of LG Polymers India, where a gas leak killed at least 10 people and left several injured, did not have an environmental clearance for its petrochemical plant for a substantial period of its operation between 1997 and 2019, according media reports. In an affidavit submitted to the state-level Environment Impact Assessment Authority SEIAA, the company admitted that as of May 10, 2019, the unit did not have a valid environmental clearance substantiating the produced quantity issued by the competent authority for continuing operations. It also acknowledged that it has expanded the production at the plant beyond the limit of environmental clearance or changed the product mix without obtaining prior environmental clearance as mandated under the EIA notification 2006. The company had then also undertaken that it would not repeat at any such violation in future. While the investigations are underway regarding the accident, a possible reason could be that during the shutdown of the plant due to COVID-19, styrene gas was not being stored at the appropriate temperature, causing pressure to build up in a storage chamber, and that led to the valve to break, resulting in the gas leakage. Meanwhile, Manipuri natives now stuck in Visakhapatnam have made a fervent appeal to the Manipur government to take immediate steps to bring them back to the state. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Friday stressed the need for decentralization of power to fight the coronavirus and urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to hold regular conversations with chief ministers and make them partners in dealing with the pandemic. The current fight is to centralize and need to decentralize, Rahul said, and requested the Prime Minister to start talking with the chief ministers not as the boss but as a colleague, as someone who is helping them. Rahul further said, forget about Congress ruled states, BJP ruled states or CPI-M ruled. They are all Indian chief minister and should all be working together with the Prime Minister, he said. The Congress leader told reporters through video conferencing that the government must start giving transparency to its actions by cooperating with the states and making them partners in decision-making. After Facebook and Silver Lake, US-based Vista Equity Partners will invest rupees 11,367 crore into the Geo platform for a 2.32% stake, making it the third high-profile investment in Reliance Industries Limited RIL unit, a media report said. Vista's investment is at a 12.5% premium over the Facebook deal announced in April. This investment values Geo platform at an equity value of rupees 4.91 lakh crore and an enterprise value of rupees 5.16 lakh crore, a statement from RIL read. Vista is a leading global investment firm focused on empowering and growing enterprise software, data and technology enable companies that are reinventing industries and catalyzing change. Vista portfolio companies have a significant presence in India with over 13,000 employees. This is Vista's first sizable investment in India, RILZ. Do join TOMTV's new program, Your Voice, Adomgi Konjel. Please express your grievances and issues through our channel. Send audio or video to our WhatsApp number 9402491494 along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Please mention your name and address properly. Be a citizen journalist. Let's listen to today's Your Voice.
Hojik kalengi matam oibanina yamna su saba aduga mafam asida leibadasu yamna khudong chadaba kaya mayoknari hen awaba oiriba maram aman chana thaknaba polam amata leiba fangdaba aduga fanglaba fawadasu thokpa yadaba sin mafam asida ikoiga punna leminnaram state kaya dagi imanaba kaya amasu masa masa gi state ta hannakle lehawriba si manipuri macha ikoi khattani india ge red zone manung challiba state asida leiba oibana yamna sumi paiba pokje renda leiba hostel da leiba kaya su upay ama tawraga chatnakro haina tanthorokpasu yawi leibak fabadi mahiroi sinmi punna ikoi manipuri lising amaga chani yankairom asida ishorgi thawzaldagi hojik fawbadi leina asigi symptom amata utpa thengnadri matang asida manipur government na ikoi bu matam chana yum yoba yana lambi amatam sinbiduna ikoi gi punsibu kanbiyu amasung green zone oiriba iramda manipur da yahanbiyu hayri.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. 3 new COVID-19 cases reported in Assam, count 56. (1,200 stranded Manipuri natives to be brought back by train. And 15 migrants returning to Madhya Pradesh run over by goods train. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.